are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. 1st of November, All Saints Day reflection. My dear friends, we Christians live in hope because we are saved by hope. Always we have a hope. It's All Saints Day. Do you know every saint has a sinful past? And every sinner has a saintly future. So we live in that hope, my dear friends. We are the communion of saints. We have 3 communions, 3 status. We are the 3 churches. Victorious church, they are the saints. Persecuted church, those also in the purgatory. And fighting, battling church, that's us. So it's a communion. You look at this day in a very simple way. Saints are our friends. They love us as if it's a race, and in that race they have finished the running and they are in the winning point. And we are the people who run towards the victory. And they are the people who cheer on the way and give us strength, give us water, glucose to win the race. So it's a communion. They do love us, my dear friends. And they know exactly the struggle that we go through because they have been there before us. And also, that's exactly why in the first reading, a great multitude and no could number from every nation, from all tribes and peoples and languages, they were praising God. So they are the victorious church. They are gone there. And to go there, they had to go through terrible suffering. Terrible suffering. So it's like the light go through a prism. The rainbow colors would come out. It's through pain only, there is no other way. They had to go through that pain. That's why, who are these clothed in white robes? And from where have they come? I said to him, Sir, you know. And he said to me, these are the ones coming out of great tribulation. We get the reading from book of Revelation. Book of Revelation is written to a people, community who were terribly persecuted, to give them hope that we have a victorious place. There's a reward for our pain. There's no gain without pain. So we are in this journey, my dear friends. So we have that hope. Looking at them, we have a place to go. Of course, today, where we live in this world is temporary. It's a tent. We have a perpetual address, perpetual, long-lasting, our own home where we should reach one day. So, All Saints Day is a day of hope, and it is the assurance of our end of the journey, of our reward given for the tribulation that we go through now. And the Lord is saying, these are the ones coming out of great tribulation, and they have washed their robes and made them white in the blood of the Lamb. If you read Isaiah chapter 1 verse 18, your sin, red like crimson, is going to be white as snow with the blood of Christ. Come, we'll discuss, the word says. So they were once sinners. Of course, sin, those who are pure in heart will see God. So sin will block the sight. Sin will tarnish the vision. But then with the blood of Christ, they have not become saints with their own strength, with their own decision, with their own achievement. No. It's purely because of the grace. They are the people who allowed Jesus to climb into the boat. As Peter, Jesus entered his boat. He got into the boat. That's exactly what happened. When you allow Jesus to come into your boat, my dear friends. So it's a day of hope. where they had to go through terrible struggle and agony. So in that place, they never felt that they are saints. They all felt it difficult because our Master had to go through the same thing. And that's exactly why it is said, the Beatitudes, blessed those who are mourn, they shall be comforted. So see, the time gap. Now mourning and they are being comforted. It's later. Now meek shall inherit the earth later. Now hunger and thirst for the righteousness, they shall be satisfied. Now merciful, and they shall receive mercy later. Now pure in heart, they shall see God. Not now, later. Peacemakers now called sons of God later. Persecuted for righteousness' sake, for there is the kingdom of heaven. So they are journeying through difficulty towards the victory. Blessed are you when others revile you and persecute you and utter all kinds of evil against you falsely on my account. Rejoice and be glad, for your reward is great in heaven. My dear friends, so it's a life of hope all the time. It's a life of hope. So whatever the struggle that you go through, you have a bunch of friends in heaven who take care of you. If you have a namesake, and what a beautiful thing. You have a personal friend with you. And all the saints will cheer you on the way. Give you impetus, boost your energy. So it's a communion of saints where the victorious church can support us, the battling church. Because we need their support, isn't it? And each saint has a different charism. Charism comes with their personal experience. Personal experience. So that's how they experienced the Lord when they were living. And they have become experts because they had to go through struggle, and that very struggle became a blessing. Very struggle, my dear friends. So look at the pain. Look at your pain in a different angle. Because it's not the truth, it's not the end, but it's a mean to go to the end. Pain without glory is meaningless. So that meaning is given with hope. Whenever you suffer, whenever you go through agony, always remember there is God who is waiting there. He has given Jesus to change your heart. He has given power, a bunch of friends who is there in heaven to pray for you. So you should never give up. All your sins, all your iniquities, all your brokenness now, all the struggle, suffering, trauma that you are going through will never go down drain. It has meaning. But the only thing, if you allow Jesus to get into your boat, then things will change. But then it takes time. Don't more haste, less speed. You cannot accelerate God's plan. You have to wait in the desert to enter the promised land. It's 40 years. It's a long time. It's important, my dear friends. So we have this spiritual cheering, spiritual uplifting. We have multitude of friends in heaven who worry for you, who think about you, who will support you. Never give up. In your pain, struggle, always hope. You will see God one day. Every sinner has a saintly future. Every saint had a sinful past. Think about it. Have a nice day. May God bless you.